Faliraki has had the same reputation for years. Mention Faliraki to most people and they'll tell you exactly the same thing. 18 to 30s, cheap drinks, all night partying. But is that still true in 2026? Tonight I'm heading out to see what Faliraki is really like after dark. From the quieter bars right through to the famous strip itself. And by the end of this video we'll find out if Faliraki is still Rhodes' biggest party resort or if things have changed. Hey up everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Faliraki. Now in the last video I showed you what Faliraki was like in the daytime. Now we're going to find out what Faliraki is like in the evening. Right, the sun's started to go down behind me and we're going to have a look at Faliraki in the evening. This is the time of day that everybody comes here to see Faliraki for. So let's go and have a look what it's like when the lights come on. Come on, let's go and explore. Let's go. As you can see, I've got about a 10-minute walk into Faliraki itself. So basically we'll go and check a few bars out. I do need some food actually, but it is 9 o'clock, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And then we'll go to strip in about an hour when it gets a bit more lively. You can see I'm on the top road where I were in the daytime video. Mike's is up there. Wow, I've just noticed this as I'm walking past. There's actually a church here. I didn't see that in my daytime video. That looks pretty cool. I've definitely missed out on that one, haven't I? We're not going in the church tonight though. No. Just about into the centre now of Faliraki. As you can see the restaurants are still quite busy at 9 o'clock and they're still queuing to get in places. Look at that one. Must be popular. I need to start off with a nice pint. It's busy down here. And we haven't been in an Irish bar yet, have we? So shall we try Kelly's? Come on. Let's have a pint in Kelly's. So that's another Mythos, and that's the same price as anywhere else, €5.50. So cheers to a night in Faliraki. So like I was saying, I don't know if you caught that, but before I chuck pint all on the camera, cheers everyone. Can't beat a nice Mythos. It's quite a cool bar, it's and all, and apparently they do live bands in here, so live music, should I say. It's not very big, but it's very nice. Oh, we've got a bit of brown-eyed girl now. My brown-eyed girl. You my brown-eyed girl. So that was Kelly's bar. What I didn't realise is that there's actually a garden at the other side of the road. I could have sat in that. Right, let's go and find something to eat. It's busy around here. There's that right nice creek that I saw in my last video. All lit up. How nice does that look? It's a bit too romantic though for me on my own, innit? Another Greek speciality restaurant there. I just don't know where to go. Well, there's quite a few bars blasting the music out, but I need food. Here we've got the Flintstones, Bedrock. Could always go in here, I suppose. Flintstones, eh? What do we reckon? We didn't go in there because people were only drinking, so I don't think they're still serving food, or nobody were eating. It's not a good sign, is it? And even trains lit up at night, look. That's cool. This might sound a bit weird because I'm in Faliraki, but a lot of these restaurants are really romantic. But these are pretty cool, aren't they? Green lights all lit up, and I think I've gone too far. So I've come in a Greek restaurant called Trioglia. This is the menu. It's not bad prices, to be fair. And I'm going to go for a moussaka tonight, so we're still going to go Greek. I'm going to go for a nice moussaka and, you know, probably a pint of mythos. So stick with me and I'll show you when it comes. And how cute is this restaurant? So obviously the mythos has come. So yamas, everybody. I'm going to say it tastes nice because I've had that many now. They all taste the same. Beautiful. Wow. That's all I can say. How big is that? Well, that's a big moussaka, innit? Let's give it a try. Oh God, that's delicious. You know the best thing about it as well? It stays intact when you cut it. Oh God, that's delish. Right. I'll see you when I've ate it. If I eat it all. Well, as you can see, I've absolutely smashed all that. And I don't know why I did it, because that was absolutely huge. I do know how I did it, because it was absolutely gorgeous. That's probably in my top 3 moussakas that I've ever had. The best thing about it is on a moussaka, usually it all falls apart, it's a bit mushy. But that stayed solid all the way through it. And the aubergine were really thick in it. You know what, it were really, really nice. I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. I'm going to go 9. 9 out of 10 for that moussaka. So that come to €22.30, which is about the norm. Free drink. Cheers, everyone. Cherry. Very nice, anyway. Right, I'm going to pay this bill and then we're going to hit the strip. It's now 11 o'clock. You can see all the neon lights as we get closer to the strip. And the music's ramping up. So that was really nice, that meal. And a decent price and all. So yeah, we'll go into the strip now and we'll see how much they're charging on there, because I bet it ain't €5.50. Wow, mini golf's busy. Right, I've got a feeling this is going to be busy. He's quite cool, isn't he? Right, here we go. Faliraki strip. And I can hear the music ramping up already. Yep, it's very busy and very loud. Oh, it's quieting down a little bit now. It's a bit mad up that top bit. There's Jamaica bar coming up. This looks a bit more chilled. Yeah, there's some very loud bars up there and it's full of young'uns. And that is the main strip. Thought I'd just walk you down first just to show you what there is. Right, let's go and have a beer somewhere and take in the atmosphere of Faliraki. Cheers everyone, €8 if you can hear me. Well, that were €8 for that rum and coke. The music were absolutely rubbish. We'll find another one. See if we can find some better music. Cheers, everyone. Well, I've been in 2 party bars for you now, and that's enough, because I can't take this anymore and my ears are killing me. Although I will say we're only €5 for a beer, so not bad prices, are they? Oh, I prefer this end at Strip Me. A lot more quiet, a lot more chilled, a lot more relaxed. No loud music, I know, I'm getting old. Finally, I can hear myself think again. Whew. Yes, it's a lot more calm and sophisticated down here, isn't it? We've done 2 party bars. We've had a meal. Faliraki, what do you think? Let me know in them comments. Is it still as lively as you remember? Is it still Rhodes party town? I'm going to do a calmer bar now, have one more drink, and we'll make his mind up. So I'm just on Endert Strip. I'm in a nice, relaxing cocktail bar. And you know what? That's the good thing about Faliraki, is that you can have the party and just 10 seconds up the road you can chill out, have a nice cocktail. There is really something for everybody. And we're going to finish the night off with a lovely espresso martini. And it better be nice for €13. Not cheap. Cheers, everyone. Oh yes. Best drink at night. And there seems to be a big man outside and I've no idea why. But this is a lovely cocktail bar. Even if it's a bit pricey. So, is Faliraki still a party town? Well, definitely yes, but I think that's only half the story. Because what surprised me tonight was how much more there is alongside it. The restaurants, the relaxed bars, the family atmosphere. Because for me, Faliraki isn't all about the party anymore. There's a lot more to it. And the resort is so much broader than the reputation that it's gained. In my view anyway. So after seeing it tonight, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think Faliraki is still the lively party resort that it's always been known as? Anyway, that's where I'm going to wrap the video up. Thank you for coming with me on my night out. Please do hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, don't forget the hype, and I'll see you in the next one. From here on the beautiful island of Rhodes. Good night.